Oh, you're doing choo-choo. 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 I know, it's funny, isn't it? You're missing the train. Get back on the train. There you go. The Lucia train. Lucia, you're the engine.
Yeah.
Lucia's the engine.
Get back on the train, Emil.
Emil, you're falling off the train. You're interested in the camera, huh? Get back on the train. Choo, choo. Can the train make it all the way to the sala?
Yes.
All right. Choo, choo.
Uh-oh.
It's okay.
The bag's in the way. I'm going to move the bag.
Okay. Okay, train, come on back to get your cars. You're a little caboose. Emil is your caboose.
Emil.
Emil, you're the caboose. Get on the train. Get on the choo-choo train. Choo-choo. 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 There we go. Now we have some light. Now we're not doing any more train. Now we have light, huh? Hey, Emil, do you want to do more choo-choo train, or are you all done? No? Choo-choo train? Yeah?
Hey, you just see a pretty picture.
Sit. You can sit. You want to sit on the chair?
See a pretty picture, Dad?
I would love to see a pretty picture, Lucia. Do you want me to move the chair out so you can sit on it? Okay, hold on.
Where is